Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Rizwana Zahid, lecturer in computer science, Government Girls Degree College, Unit number 8, Latifabad, Hyderabad. Programming in C language. This is our online lecture number 2. This book is recommended for programming in C language. Author name is Robert Lefort. Today our learning objectives are comments. What are identifiers? What are keywords? Preprocessor directives, escape sequences, and operators. Comments. Comments are invisible to the compiler. We can put comments anywhere in the program. While we put comments into source code file that can be read but are not visible to the compiler. Here it is an example. These are comments. This will be printed but not executed. Comments are enclosed in symbols. The starting symbol is /*, closing symbol */. These are the delimiters. In this program, only this statement, that is printf statement, is executable. These are comments not executable. This program has one executable statement, others are non-executable. The output of this program would be, this is a string. Multi-line comments, instead of putting one line in symbols, these symbols or delimiters, we can put more than one line in single pair of symbol. Here it is an example. These three lines enclosed in single pair of, this is opening starting symbol and this is closing symbol. And this is executable statement, that is printf statement. And again, two lines are enclosed in single pair of symbols, that is starting symbol and this is closing symbol. The output of this program is same, it is here. This is a string. What are identifiers? Identifiers are names given to various program elements such as variable, function, or any other user-defined item. Identifier consists of letters that consist of capital letter A to capital letter Z, and a small letter A to a small letter Z, and digit consist of from 0 to 9 in any order except first character must be a letter. However, underscore can also be included and is considered to be a letter. An identifier may also begin with an underscore, though it is rarely done in practice. What are keywords? There are certain reserved words called keyword that have standard predefined meanings in C language, but keywords cannot be used as programmer-defined identifiers. Some keywords of C language are listed below. These are the keywords that we cannot use these as our identifier name. Preprocessor directives. Normal program statements are instructions to the microprocessor, but the preprocessor directives are instruction to the compiler. Preprocessor directives are instruction to the compiler. Most common preprocessor directives are #include, #define. Preprocessor directives are always start with a sign of hash. The #include directive causes one source file to be included in another. There are actually two ways to write #include statements. The first approach is to use inverted commas as #include stdio.h enclosed in inverted commas. The second approach is to use angle brackets as hash include stdio.h enclosed in angle brackets. These two approaches causes the preprocessor to start searching in the standard header file. If we use printf and getChr function in a program, we will have to include the header files stdio.h and conio.h using hash include preprocessor directives. Escape sequences. Escape sequences begin with backward slash followed by one or more special character. List of commonly used escape sequences are given below. Here it is list of escape sequences. First few of these escape sequences we are using in coming example. Here it is example of program that uses escape sequences \t and \n. Printf statement consisting of string welcome all would be print as it is. \t would causes to move cursor forward and then again off would be print over here as it is. Again \t causes forward the cursor and then again \n that causes cursor to jump to the new line, and for learning would be print over here as it is. Again this \t that causes cursor to move forward, then C programming would be printed over here. Again we have \n that causes to jump cursor to the new line and print thank you. Thank you, here it is printed. And then again we have \t escape sequence that causes cursor to move forward and print full stop. That is the example of \t and \n escape sequences. Operators. Operators are words or symbols that causes a program to do something to variable. There are different kinds of operators as arithmetic operators, relational operators, increment operators, decrement operators, assignment operators, logical operators, and the conditional operators. Arithmetic operator: multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and remainder operator are the arithmetic operators. While applying arithmetic operators in an expression, multiplication and division are evaluated before addition and subtraction. Remainder operator is used sometimes. Example: 7 is divided by 3, that is 7/3. Answer would be the quotient here. And when we apply remainder operator 7, remainder operator 3, the answer would be is remainder 1. Increment and decrement operators. These are increment and decrement operators. Increment operator increases the value of operand by 1, and decrement operator, this is the decrement operator, it causes the value of variable decreases by 1. Relational operators: if we are going to compare two values, then we would apply these relational operators. These are relational operators: less than sign, a less than B if this expression, the result of this expression would be true if the value of A is less than B. This is an expression that shows that A greater than B. The result of this expression would be true if the value of A is greater than the value of B. And here it is use of less than equal sign. A less than or equal to B. The result of this expression would be true if the value of A is less than or equal to B. This is greater than or equal sign. A, if A is greater than or equal to B, the result of this expression would be true. This is equality operator, equality sign in C language. Equality sign in C language is represented by these two equal sign, and here it is the use of this equal sign in an expression. A equal to is equal to B means the value of A, variable A, is equal to the value of variable B. This is not equal to sign, and this is an example of use of not equal to sign. A is not equal to B means the value of variable A is not equal to the value of variable B. Assignment operators. This operator is termed as assignment operator in C language. This is an expression that shows that the variable B value of variable B is to be assigned to the variable A, and these are the arithmetic assignment operators. A plus assignment operator B is same as A is equal to A plus B. This is the compressed form of this expression, and the result of both are same. A minus assignment operator B is same as A assignment operator A minus B. And here it is A multiply asterisk assignment operator B is same as A assignment operator A multiplied by B. This is the multiplication assignment operator. The result of this expression would be the same as the result of this expression. And here it is division assignment operator. A slash assignment operator B is same as A is equal to A slash B. And here it is remainder assignment operator. The use of a remainder assignment operator is here. A remainder assignment operator B remainder assignment operator is B is same working are same as A is equal to A remainder operator B. Logical operators. These are logical operators. This is the logical AND operator, and this is the use of logical AND operator. The result of this logical AND operator will be true if both operands are true. And this is OR, logical OR operator, and this is the use of logical OR operator. The result of this logical OR operator will be true if one of these two operand is true, or both operands are true. This is logical NOT operator. It is unary operators that negates the value of logical expression. This is the logical expression that is originally true but to become false, and vice versa. Conditional operator. Simple conditional operations can be carried out with the conditional operator, question mark, colon are conditional operators. An expression that makes use of the conditional operators is called conditional expression. Here it is an example of use of conditional operators. These are the conditional operator, question mark, and this colon. This testing expression, this is the testing expression. If the result of this testing expression is true, then the value of num1 would be assigned to the variable max. And in another condition, that if the result of this testing expression is false, then the value of num2 would be assigned to the variable max. And this is the end of our lecture number 2. Students are advised to go through the text of recommended book for any further details. Thanks. Thank you very much.